Welcome back to my channel Blackbird. Today I am going to review some notebooks which are user friendly of fountain pens. So you can see in the video that it is a Times notebook and there are three different colors: green, red and blue. All these notebooks are found in the local stationery shops. Now I am going to review one by one in detail. There are three notebooks you can see here, and there are two small notebooks also. Yes, there are two small notebooks. These are the pocket size notebooks. One is Times pocket size notebook and the other is Gold pocket size notebook. Gold. Though the company is not very branded, and you can see here the pages. These are the very pure white pages with some ruled pages these are, and there is on the top right bottom there is the number. You can write here the page number on the top right corner of the pages, and all these are spiral binding, and on the back side there is written 304A. I don't know what it is, but it is written as 304. Yes, there is also written as 304A on the back side of the Times notebook, and on the back side of the pocket size Times notebook there is written 301A, and you can see here the pages. There are too many pages. Yes, there are also so many pages of the Gold notebook, and the spiral binding is very hardy. It does not seem to lose the pages after using it roughly. Now I am measuring the notebook with scale. So here you can see that the Times notebook is almost 8 inches in size. The length of the notebook is 8 inches, and it's also a notebook. It's not a branded notebook but almost identical to Times notebook, and it's the size is 9, the length is 9 inch. So it's a lengthy notebook. You can use it for writing daily notes or writing anything which you think or which goes in your mind, and it's also a Times notebook and its size is 8 as the previous Times notebook. And the pocket size notebook, Times pocket size notebook, the length is almost 4 and some few inches. And the Gold notebook, the length of the Gold notebook is also like the Times pocket size notebook, 4 inch and few more inches. Now I am going to review the notebook with Waterman Tender Purple ink. It's a very beautiful ink and very safe ink for fountain pens, nib and feet. And I am unboxing the ink. The ink bottle is also very beautiful. The shape is very beautiful. Yes, you can see here Waterman Tender Purple. This is a glass bottle and hexagonal shape it is, a so that you can draw ink when the ink level goes to the bottom of the bottle. And this is the inside part of the bottle. A very beautiful and bright ink and very wet flow, not a dry flow but a wet flow ink. And I will use the Faber-Castell Loom pen with the for the review of the notebooks. Yes, this is the nib of the loom and this is the feet section. Yes, now I am going to review the notebooks. How are the pages qualities of the Times notebook? There are multiple colors available for the Times notebook cover pages, and this is very beautiful and nice. Yes. Now I am giving you the writing sample with Times notebook with Faber-Castell loom. You can see here the writing on the pages is crystal clear, and the page quality is not very bad, though it's not that level of the quality of that Rhodia dot pads, but we should not underestimate the pages of this Times notebook too. The pages are very good quality, and the ink is Waterman tender purple. You can use it for daily writing. You can use this notebook for daily writings. Now I am going to review the other notebook, which is red in cover, and the company name is not mentioned on the cover page, but it's almost identical with the Times notebook. Yes, I think the page this page of this no, the page of this notebook is better quality from Times notebook, because it does not feather or there is no mark of ghosting on the pages. This is a notebook review by FC Loom. FC means Faber-Castell, and it's a steel nib pen. So you can see here the writing is crystal clear. There is no feathering, no ghosting, and I am now going to review the pocket size notebook. It's the Times pocket size notebook. It's a very old notebook. I have bought this few years ago. You can take notes in everywhere. You can carry it in your pocket. Times small notebook. The letter K is a kind of feathering. It's a pocket size notebook, but it seems good. And now it is a gold pocket size notebook. The company name is not too much branded, but I am going to review the notebook. It's not globe but gold. I have mistaken during the writing of the company name. It should be gold pocket size notebook, not globe. But the quality is not too much of that level of Times notebook. Thank you for watching the video. Keep sharing and subscribe my channel to get notification of this channel. Thank you.